Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can rotate an edge in Blender. So we have this edge here, and if you want to rotate, okay, you can press R but will deform the mesh, as that's not something that we want, right? So I have a solution for you and I hope this video will help you. So what you can do is to use this tool, scroll it a bit down, make sure you are in Control tab, okay, and you are in not in edit object mode, you're in edit mode, and then you scroll a little bit down and you should see this tool, shear, okay, click on shear, and now we can rotate this edge without deforming the mesh. Okay, so I hope this video will help you, and I hope this video helped you. Okay, now you can rotate it in the way you want, right? So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.